Hey everyone, let's walk through how to use Face ID with Gmail on your phone. To add Face ID for Gmail, you have to head over to Settings on your phone. Go to Settings, scroll down and find Face ID and password. Here, make sure your iPhone unlock is turned on. If it's off, tap it and toggle the switch to turn it on, and tap on Other apps and toggle it on. Now you are all set. Once you go to Gmail app and tap sign in. Now once you fill the email, your Face ID will be recognized and it will automatically log into your account by simply recognizing your face. And that's it. You are now logged into your Gmail account by using your Face ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos and tips like this.